All right, it's chip of the day. People love chip of the day. This one is a POS-100 plus. Yeah, POS-100, a piece of sunshine. We have it from Mini Circuits, and it is one of those cool little silver packages that they say are plug-in if you buy their socket. I don't have a socket, so I had to solder mine down. And I actually removed this from a piece of equipment, and it was soldered down also. So anyway, but it says it's pluggable. So what is it? It is a voltage-controlled oscillator, and you can tune it between 50 and 100 megahertz. And yeah, pretty much that explains it. I mean, that's what it does. It's pretty healthy. It outputs, let's see here, where is the output power? Frequency, output power, yeah, plus 8.3 dBm, so that's pretty healthy. You can run it with 12 volts, and then you can actually change the tuning voltage. It's voltage controlled, right? So the tuning voltage is between 1 and 16. Even if you have a 12 volt input, you can still tweak the tuning voltage up to 16. 3 dB modulation, DC operating power, 12 volts at 20 milliamps. Okay. Yeah. Megahertz per volts, around 4.5. Got some pictures on the back if you want to look at the data sheet. But yeah, so here's the pinout, okay? Looking from the bottom, 12 volts goes in that one, and the output comes out that one. And then 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 are all ground, and then 8 is the tune, all right? So let's take a look at it working. I built a little board over here. And this little guy has 12 volts going in, and I have a 10 dB pad on the output so I don't overdrive my spectrum analyzer. And we can take a look at what it's doing here. All right, I'm gonna walk around the camera. Okay, so I have a marker right here. It's kind of hard to see as 1, and a marker right here. It says it's 2, and that's 50 megahertz, and that's 100 megahertz. And if I reach over and I change the voltage, I can tune it down to 50, and I can tune it up to 100. It's 100 megahertz at 13.7 volts, and we can make it go higher, huh? And at the low end, it's 1.8 volts. 1.8 volts gives you 50 megahertz. Yeah, how far can we go up here? It goes up pretty far here. I'm at 21 volts. I'm out of spec. I'm out of spec. I'm out of spec. It will go up there. Here's 16 volts, though. It does say you can run it at 16, and 16 is happening at 111 megahertz. So there you go. Kind of a fun little thing. Let's go ahead and zoom out. Frequency 1 gigahertz. And, oops, I didn't want to do it that way. Start at 0. There we go. I wanted to show you all the harmonics, all right? So it is not a sine wave. It's got a bunch of other lumps in it. So you can see that. And as I tune it, all the lumps move as well. There you go. Anyway, fun little circuit. I'll show you my awful construction technique here. It's not so bad. It's not so bad. I tried to keep everything really, really short. And I have ground along this edge here. Just a whole bunch of little jumpers over the grounds. And then I have 0 and 12 volts coming in here. Ground, 0, otherwise known as ground at 12 volts. And I have a little chip capacitor down here to, just because, good practice. Yeah, there we go. Chip of the day was a POS-100.